Hi guys, this is Robin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My Instagram handle is Mother Pixels. Today I'm going to be doing the Mount Norquay Via Ferrata hike. Via Ferrata is Italian for Iron Road, I believe, yeah. Anyways, we are doing the Ridgewalker hike, which is about 3.5 hours to 4 hours. It's like the second level. I'm not super comfortable doing the big summit because I'm a beginner. I'm afraid of heights. If you've never done Via Ferrata but you've always wanted to, then I recommend that you stick around, you watch this video, and I'm going to show you the entire experience so that you know what to expect. I have no idea. I've never done this before. It's my first time. So unfortunately, it is a little bit smoky because of the wildfires in BC, so the view might not be as spectacular as it normally is, but I'm still sure it's going to be super fun and super scary at the same time. So how do you get here? As you're driving into Banff, you take the second exit to Banff. It's going to be clearly marked. It's going to say Norquay. You just take that exit, you keep going right, as if you're coming from Canmore. You keep going right uphill around this loop. Then you make the mandatory stop at the viewpoint behind me, which is just this beautiful viewpoint where you can see the entire town of Banff. And if you come here for sunset, I highly recommend it because you can see the lights coming down. The sunsets up here are really pretty. And sometimes you can even see wildlife grazing on the grass behind me. So now that we've made the mandatory stop, we're going to continue on our way, and so follow along. Okay, so we arrived at the parking lot. Before we forget, bug spray, so important in the Canadian summers because you're going to get eaten alive. So they actually provide us with rain jackets, with boots, with backpacks, or whatever it is that we need. If you forgot to bring something and you are doing this hike, they actually provide extra equipment for you for free. So my husband, it looks like it might be raining. He's actually getting that nice blue jacket. So that's really cool. If you don't have proper hiking shoes or proper jackets, they will supply you with the things that you need included in the price of the ticket. We are fully pimped out in like a helmet, these gloves for coming down and grabbing on things. What do you call this, babe?
I don't know.
A strap? Carabiners, a holder thing, so that if we were to fall, we're completely strapped and then we don't fall to our death. So we are all geared up and ready to go.
Turn on.
Okay, and off we go. Does this come down? Okay.
Were you worried that wasn't going to happen?
Yeah, I thought we were going to be out swinging about.
They would not risk that. Is there something in me that's going to break behind me?
Are you excited?
Yes, babe. It's awesome.
Off we go. I hope we don't die.
Me too.
And if we do, Paul, James, please be good kids.
For grandma.
For the rest of your lives. We have made it to the top. So let the hike begin.
One is attached to cable. That's all we need. 100% safe with one. But the reason we have two, this cable connected to many anchor, we call the pigtail. The shape looks like a pigtail tail. So when you come to the pigtail, you have to unclip and clip in the next section. So it's very simple rule, as long as you do this one at a time like this. One and awesome. Looking good, everybody.
Hi, handsome.
Hi.
Do front to back, don't go side to side. Yeah, like don't pull one and one because then you're gonna shake it.
And then here it gets a little bit steeper. Very, very steep. And there's your drop right there. And this is us getting getting close to
Look up, man.
made it to the top. That was what, 2.5 hours?
No idea.
2.5 hours going on 10 hours, the most terrifying hours of my entire life, and I've had 2 C-sections. 120 minutes. Anyways, this is a really great activity. If you've always had a fear of heights, it definitely helps you conquer them a little bit. The first 10-15 minutes, I'm not gonna lie, I was feeling pretty terrified. My body was shaking, my mouth was dry, I was having heart palpitations, and I was this close to quitting. But I'm so glad I did it. The more I did it and the more I relied on the metal straps around the mountain, or whatever you call them, the more confident I became, because I started feeling safe and secure in the equipment. So once I started trusting the equipment and my harness, I became a lot more comfortable. And then the rest of the experience, while it was a little bit scary but exciting at the same time, it wasn't as terrifying to me as it was at the very beginning. So I really, really recommend this activity in Banff. So I thought we were done, but we actually had another 15 to 20 minutes to the summit, but that was just a regular hike. It is a little bit windy. It looks like it's about to rain, but we are right now at the highest peak. And so you can just take the view in.
Lots of smoke.
Yeah, it is super smoky. But thankfully, the hike down, it looks like it's about to rain. It's just a regular hike down. We don't have to go back through the rocks or, like, you know, using the harnesses or anything. It's just a nice regular hike down. Look at how windy this is. I love it. It's so awesome.